Simon, we've got an impeller here. I'm always interested to know the history behind componentry like this. How would this have been made many years ago?
This, believe it or not, Paul, would have been made either using precision casting technique or even more crude sheet metal, so metal bashing.
So we've come a long way in recent years, and I know that now you would program this using something like hyperMill.
Yeah, hyperMill's renowned for its extremely powerful 5-axis strategies, and we have even unique toolpath strategies for blade splits and impellers.
Looking at it from the outside, it looks quite complicated to program something like that. Is it using hyperMill?
It's not complicated to program the part, but the toolpaths itself are very complicated. But the user doesn't have to worry about that, because all the clever strategies and algorithms that it's using to generate the toolpath are generated automatically.
Okay, now let's come on to the actual programming part of it. How long would it take? Because I know that's what's going to be on a lot of viewers' sort of minds. How long would it take to program and then machine?
Well, if I could give you an example, Paul, I was in a prospect recently, a few weeks ago, and they were taking around 8 hours to program a part similar to this.
See, I would think that's still pretty quick, but I'm wrong.
Yes, you are. We went in there blind, so we'd not seen this part before, and having been given the part, we programmed it in front of the prospect, and it was ready to machine within 40 minutes.
So how does hyperMill give you that return? How does it program it that fast?
Well, not only are the calculation times extremely fast at areas like this, it really doesn't give you any problems. The toolpath strategy does what it says on the tin. You pick the surface, you know you're going to get a toolpath at the end of it. There's no knife and forking to get the job done.
So coming back to how we opened this interview, if you look at how quickly you can manufacture one of these now to what you could have done years ago, it's a big leap.
Oh, huge. Not only that, but I don't think I'd like to be in the air when I know that there's some guy bashing around with a piece of sheet metal to produce the parts. So.
Totally agree. Thanks, Simon.
Thanks.